Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money, just chilling on the weekend. It is December 3rd, 2022, a Saturday, and we're doing this follow-up video on a ticker symbol that we did a video on last week. It is a stock that is going to be IPOing. The ticker symbol is going to be RAYA. R, Robert, A, Alpha, Y, Yellow, A, Alpha, RAYA. It was supposed to initially do its public offering either on November 30th, 2022 or December 1st, 2022, but here we are. It's December 3rd, 2022, and the IPO date has been postponed to December 7th, 2022, so it's going to happen this coming week, presumably. Okay. Now, before we get started, we have private Discord channels that you might be interested in joining, and we also have a public Discord channel. We're going to leave the links in the descriptions for you to take a look at the different Discord channels that you're interested in. The public Discord has a lot of great conversations with the community. The private Discord channels, we have one for IPOs that is only $5, which allows you to get information about the IPOs that we look at right away before it gets on any social media. So you got the Discord for that channel, and if you'd like, you can also join our Discord where we put out our picks. We have had a lot of success with different picks that have done very well. We called TOPS last week, TOPS, went up 200% in a matter of a week. We called it on, we did a YouTube video on Monday. We alerted our Discord over the weekend before that, way before that, okay? And it ran over 200%. We also called COSM back in mid-October when it was at 6 cents, and it hit a high of 88 cents, went up 800%, and we called it, a month and a half before all of that happened. Again, the links are in the description. You can go ahead and take a look at it. We get bangers like that pretty much always because we're constantly scanning and looking for runners. So let's go into RAYA. The name of the company is RAYA Power Solutions Group. Let me begin by saying we are not stock professionals. We are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice, and this is not stock advice either. If you need the help of a professional, get a professional to help you out. This is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get right into RAYA. RAYA. Would make a great commercial. I'm just saying. I'm available. You want to pay me a lot of money to advertise you? Go ahead. I'll put a commercial out for you. This is not a paid commercial, by the way. I don't know anybody in this company. Nobody's paying me. I'm just giving you a review. Okay. The company is looking to go into NASDAQ. That's where it wants to IPO. For those who don't know what an IPO is, it stands for an initial public offering. It is a vehicle available for private companies to go public so that their stocks can be traded on publicly traded platforms like NASDAQ, which is what this company is looking to do. Again, they're looking to IPO now, December 7th. Will it go on December 7th or will it get postponed? Who knows? We don't know. But it is tentatively set for December 7th, and these stocks are available for pre-purchase prior to the IPO. There are platforms like Webull that will allow you to purchase these stocks before they actually IPO, and we have our link that you can go ahead and click and get your Webull account set up so that if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. So there's a link in the description for our Webull link that you can go ahead and click on. The price on the stock, they're looking to get $4 for the stock. It's going to be 3 million shares that they're looking to IPO, which, if that's the only amount of shares that are going to be available, that's a pretty low float. So this could go parabolic because of that. My opinion. Okay. So the deal size is $12 million. $4 times 3 million shares, $12 million. The company is in the industrial industry. It's 120 employees. We told you a lot of this information in the previous video, but for people who did not see the previous video, which we are going to link in the description, you can go ahead and check that out. The company was founded in 2019. It is an electric equipment sector company, and here's the kicker. It's a Chinese company, and for those who don't know, A lot of these Chinese IPOs ran like crazy earlier in the year at the $4 price point, seemed to be the sweet spot. Now, will this happen with this stock? Who knows? But certainly it is a stock of interest to me because of these things that we're telling you. The company conducts business through wholly owned subsidiary Zhejiang RAYA Electric Company Ltd., and it specializes in manufacturing, research and development, and wholesale and retail of power solution products. Their products consist of sine wave and off-grid inverters. No idea what that is. Don't care, because to me it's only a day trade. These are not long holds, not in this economy, and probably even without this economy, because these stocks are very volatile and I don't like to see my account go to zero. So for me, it's a day trade. Okay, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you the way I'm looking at it. Some people might swing this. Some people might buy long. I don't know. You do you, right? The company serves large customer base in China, and they want to expand to an international market. Okay, they want to be a premier power solutions brand. That's what their objective is. This is what they're looking to do. So the game plan, initially we weren't going to buy pre-IPO, but there's a lot of potential positive stuff with this, in my opinion. So, and I might just take a small position pre-IPO, because quite frankly, I like the low float of 3 million. I like the fact that it's a Chinese company, and those elements can potentially result in a parabolic move. The price point's very low, $4. So taking a small position might be of interest to me. So we might do that. Usually when we use platforms like Webull, even if we ask to buy a certain amount, the companies restrict how many shares are actually given to any person who's purchasing these IPOs prior to the IPO date. So that being said, we're going to proceed accordingly. Again, please do your own due diligence. We're not giving you advice. Hopefully this is an enjoyable show, and like I said, there's a bunch of links for the Discords. There's a bunch of links for getting a Webull account so that you can buy IPOs before they go public. And we're going to also link the previous video that we did on RAYA. Some really pretty pictures and scenes of the Florida beach area where we filmed that video, so you might want to check that out. Okay, it's Coach Money, and we are out of here, Indulgables. Much love. Bye-bye.